Bruce Socio-Cultural Organizations Keha Felicitation Come Educational Awareness Program Keha Madhyamik ba Higher Secondary Pass out Bruce students no date on 21/6/2026 abong on hatini Thai on Matsmara Town Hall organized by Unakoti Regional Committee. Abo program khusaha flag hosting, candle lighting, welcome song, welcome speech in Kebru traditional dance by Guest speech Brahmnang Ravindra Riyang Inaugurator Vice President Central BSco Retired IAS Brahmnang Lal Bahadur Riyang GS Central BSco Brahmnang Yokma Hemabati Riyang Professor B.Ed College Kumargat Tripura Brahmnang Yokma Lili Riyang Women Secretary Central BSco Tripura Brahmnang Suresh Chandra Riyang Advisor BSco Tripura Brahmnang Chandra Manik Riyang Assistant GS Central BSco Tripura Brahmnang Mohanji Riyang Program Officer DRB and PTG Kumargat Tripura Brahmnang Chanai Sai Riyang Youth Affairs BSco Tripura Brahmnang Biju Kumar Riyang President BSco Region Tripura. Central Committee Vice President, Unang Kabonai for Politics and Population.
Tahu tung pandai semua ni tung usaha baru, apa tung usaha dia ni baru semua benda tu pandai tung. Sehingga jadi gua pandai jadi sama orang semua gua pandai jadi sama orang jadi lo patu di sekolah ni yang lo apa tahu tung pandai semua ni tung usaha baru, apa tung usaha dia ni baru 수고 매매 고 방문을 좀 제사리나 제 방문을 제사건 거기에 수수계 고 방문을 제사건 거기에 제로 바투 디스코라미 안고